In this video, we're going to find the mode from a frequency table. If you're revising, just pause the video and have a go at example 13. So, to find the mode from a frequency table, you find the most frequent group. So the frequency table below shows the marks in an exam of a class. So before we jump into finding the mode, it's important to understand the table if it's a new table. So what does this 3 in the table mean? It must mean that there's 3 people in the class got 0 marks in an exam. 5 people in the class got 1 mark in an exam. 6 people got 2. 7 people got 3. 4 got 4 and 2 got 5. So the mode is the most frequent. So frequency, the most frequent is here. 7 is the most frequent. When I say that, I mean there's 7 times 7 people that got 3 marks. So the most frequent number of marks in the exam is 3 because it happens 7 times. 7 is not the mode, but 3 is. So the mode or modal mark is 3, as this is the most frequent group with 7 in it.